Guys, you're not gonna believe this, but I just realized something that is going to be a game changer for all of us creating content, vlogging, and trying to start a YouTube channel. This information is going to completely flip what you're doing, when you're doing it, and how you're doing it on its head. Here's that information.
Everything I had, I gave to you. Everything I have.
I've got good news and I've got bad news. Bad news is I missed my train. The good news is I'm at Starbucks. And I think I'm gonna make this a thing where I vlog in public spaces to get over my fear of vlogging and just actually starting and not waiting for the perfect moment. So I'm at Starbucks. I got an ice shaken oat milk espresso. Let's see. Ice hazelnut oat milk shaken espresso. That's a long order to say when you're ordering it. Your boy had to get the cheese Danish. It's just one of those days where the weather is like, it says it feels like 55, but it's actually warm. And I was like, okay, I don't need a coat. But I also like don't have like work clothes. I haven't bought like work clothes since COVID. Before COVID. This is actually really damn good. I don't know if this will be the new drink. I usually get the matcha latte or caramel macchiato from Starbucks. It's not too sugary. It's I like that it's not like the vanilla, you know? Too many people go for the IVL's iced vanilla latte, but I think I'm all about the HSE hazelnut shaken espresso. That's what I'm gonna call it. So today I'm on the DJI Osmo Action 5. Until I get another camera. I heard DJI is coming out with a Nano. I don't know anything about that. But I got that. I ended up getting the little mini extension rod with the tripod. It's not as like, I don't know, it does the job. It's not like, I'm afraid like when I open the legs I'm gonna break it. It's probably one of those things where they're like, we should probably make this. We don't have to spend a lot of money on the materials though. No. Yeah, this is all part of me getting out here, trying something new. Sorry for eating. I think the more that we put ourselves in positions to be uncomfortable, then it comes normal. I always hear people say that. It's like, you gotta put yourself in uncomfortable positions. And I'm like, nah, sorry, pass on that. But honestly, like, in a situation like this, like, it's low stakes. I've got the DJI like mini on, so I can talk like this and you can still probably hear me really clear. So good. I used to eat McDonald's cheese Danishes. That's probably why I'm still working off some pounds, but oh my god, McDonald's cheese Danish, bro. Like, I would eat the outside and then like savor the middle cheesy part for the end, and then I would just like eat it nice and slow and go ham on it. I'm still doing it now. I just realized I'm like eating the outside, waiting to get to the cheesy middle. I figured, hey, I'm here right now, so I don't really have a lot to talk about, but I think it's good to like catch up with you guys and just chat about life. I'm really loving this vlogging thing. I think wherever you are right now, finish this video. But even if you have to pause it and come back later, go out and hit record. Don't wait anymore. Don't wait. I just want to build community. I want to get like-minded people together and just talk about life, make cool stuff, share some of the projects I'm working on, or not aspiring. We don't aspire anymore. We're doing. Share some of the projects I will be working on. Make some good friends. Build a strong and fun and just heartwarming community. Like, that's what gets me going. That's what makes me super passionate right now. Like, talking about it, I get like little chills because I'm like, man, like, it could be something good. And just like, you know, loneliness is real. And I feel like I want to talk about that a little bit more because I always describe myself as a self-proclaimed introvert. I'm a homebody. I like to be at home. But the more that I'm like out here and experiencing life and getting out of my shell, I think in the last like month, like I've done a lot of things and been in a lot of places, but it's always been it's always been planned, right? It's like the other day I went to a happy hour by myself after work, and that was spontaneous, and I think I need more of that in my life. Because then it helps me be a less stressed person for my family, for my wife, for my friends, and actually be down to do stuff. Like, I want to be a guy that people are like, yeah, Julian, he's down. But also, like, I'm still gonna think about what I do. I won't be down for 100% of things, but I will be down for some things. So, if there's anything you take away from this video is, if you miss a train or something didn't go as planned in your day or in the morning, you got your camera with you, just start recording. Do something fun. Get out there, see what comes to mind, or just talk to yourself for a little bit and like get things off of your mind, you know? I've been trying some curling cream lately. My barber said like my hair is wavy and it's curly, so I've been throwing some curling cream in it. I'm trying a lot of new things. I'm 33 and I'm loving it. I'm still enjoying my life and still like discovering things about myself. And that's the journey I'm in. I always used to believe that my identity was something that I lost and I have to spend time finding, and I don't know where my identity is because I always used to be a baseball player, and I was in relationships that were just terrible. But I was in some rough relationships. Didn't continue to play baseball. Felt rejected most of my young adult life, and now I'm 33 going on 34, and I'm like, who am I? But I think the one thing that I'm realizing is there are so many fun things that I'm discovering about myself now at this age that I can actually comprehend and understand as it's happening. Truly learn how to be in the moment. And I think that comes with the wisdom of like going through the things I went through before, and like as I go through new things now, I have a different level of wisdom to navigate through them. So for all the other 30-year-olds out there, 30 plus, all my friends, guys, girls, I hope I'm not the only one going through it. But I think it's really interesting that there are a lot of us out there in our 30s right now who are dealing with the same things, and I just want to, it makes me emotional to think about like there's a group of us, or a lot of us, and we need each other. We need each other, whether you're watching this video or going to a run club or have a group of friends. You know, we need more people who understand, and yeah, I hope I find them. I hope I find them. But we'll leave it at that, and hopefully we'll get downtown soon and get some footage. See you guys. Guys, you're not going to believe this, but I just realized something that is going to be a game changer for all of us creating content, vlogging, and trying to start a YouTube channel. This information is going to completely flip what you're doing, when you're doing it, and how you're doing it on its head. Here's that information. I'm walking downtown in Chicago right now, and I can see, I don't have 20/20 vision, but I can see pretty far. Nobody within maybe a mile radius has their camera out vlogging right now. I am in the city of Chicago on a Tuesday, commuting in one of the busiest parts of the city. There are people everywhere, and I'm the only one right now who has my camera out. I'm fucking freaking out right now, trying to pretend like I don't know that people know that I'm doing this. It's almost like an out-of-body experience. And you know what? You just keep walking right through them. The other thing is that if people want to do this, they're not doing it because they're not bringing their gear with them. So I think the biggest lesson is have something you can easily whip out, especially when I got this thought. I was like, okay, I got my camera, I'm gonna whip it out, because I'll tell you what, 10 minutes before that, I was debating even pulling my camera out again for the day. But I was like, why waste these opportunities? Why waste being in the city, surrounded by people, and I'm out here doing this? And then, the other issue is that we think we're not good enough. We think we don't have anything to say. Guys, I really don't have much to say right now, but I wanted to take this opportunity when the idea or the thought struck me, and now I'm actually talking. So, again, I am petrified right now. I'm building the confidence. My hair looks whacked out. It's been a long day. I missed my train earlier. I've had a lot of back-to-back meetings, and it's just been one of those weird, nice but gloomy days. It's gray out. Well, it's not gray, but it's not sunny. It's not colorful out. And that's what makes things like this even harder too, because you're not feeling Sprite. But you know what? We're out here. Hi everyone. I'm vlogging in public. And you can too, because I'm still the only one doing it. People on every corner, every side. Alright, we're moving. One of my little tricks right now is just, I have to make my train going home. I'm not missing another train today. And I'm just staying ahead of people. I'm just trucking forward, and I'm talking at the same time. So the next time you think you can't get out here, we're all gonna be scared to do this. But remember, you're the only one probably around everybody doing it. So that should actually not scare you when you're the only one with a camera. It should actually make you feel pretty freaking good that you have the confidence, even in the middle of your fear, to get out here and do this. That you have the confidence to be the only one with a camera in a city for miles, blatantly doing this, not just on your phone and acting like a tourist, but you're out here with a mission. So be the only one. Be the only one. Don't overthink it. And remember, even if it doesn't feel like it in the moment, you will have something to say. So just start talking. Alright, I'm going to show you how to level up right now. We level up by walking right in the middle of everybody. This is how you become a confident speaker on camera. One of the ways.
Please let us know how we can make your
Throw
journey with us
yourself
more enjoyable.
right in the ocean. I don't have the confidence of speaking too loudly yet, but you can hear me. This is next level vlogging, baby. Let's go.